Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone needs off while charging overnight. Let's fix step by step. Step 1. Remove the phone case. Before charging at night, remove thick or rubber pieces. Cases trap heat and prevent proper cooling. Step 2. Use the original charger. Always use an original or certified charging cable or adapter. Cheap chargers send unstable power and cause overheating. Step 3. Avoid charging on bed or pillow. Never charge your iPhone on a bed, pillow or sofa. Soft surface block airflow and increase heat. Place it on a flat, hard surface like a table. Step 4. Turn on optimized battery charging. Go to settings, then battery health. Turn on optimized battery charging. This slows charging after 80% and reduce heat overnight. Step 5. Close background apps. Before sleeping, close all running apps. Background activity during charging can raise temperature. Step 6. Keep iPhone away from heat. Do not charge near windows, heaters or direct sunlight. Room temperature should be cool and ventilated. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Updates fix battery and overheating box. If your iPhone still gets very hot, charging overnight may be unsafe. Unplug at 80 to 90% or get the battery checked. And that's it. Follow those steps to keep your iPhone cool and your battery healthy. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.